just open the Google and write Europass CV. Just click on this, and first of all we have a first website, create Europass CV. You're gonna click this. After this, if you don't have an account in Europass, then you need to sign in. Then I accept all cookies, and after that click login to Europass. First of all, we need to create an account in Europass. If you don't have any account in Europass, then you need an account. First of all, then enter your email address. So I am gonna enter my email address. This is my email address, and create on next. Oh, just wait, I gonna use this one. Okay. This is the Gmail address, and click on next. After that, you're gonna do, you have a verification email, a first name, put a first name. This is the Gmail, and confirm Gmail. You wanna confirm it. English by checking, by clicking. Your account will be in progress in 60 seconds. Account creation is done. We have received email for the verification process. Then now we gonna see an Gmail here. I think it's here. We're gonna see your Gmail account. Here is our Gmail. I'm gonna click on this. The Gmail is open. We have received a verification email. Currently, first of all, we need to verify the account. This is so down banner. To create a password, you need to log in this link. Kindly click on this link. You can about create a password. It's your choice. We're gonna create this is password. I think the new password must be exactly the same. Oh shit, I just put the wrong one. Just wait, just a little bit. So now we're gonna use a password. So I think the password we use suggested. So this password, so I can confirm it. Submit. So our account has been created on Europass. So 10 character it's need. So we're gonna use 10 character. So now we're gonna submit it, and our account has been created. So your EU login password was successfully changed. So now we're gonna proceed this. and our account has been created successfully on Europass. Now we gonna this page has been redirected automatically. So now